go on a ride that's 1 hour long, 5 miles each way. They go through a tunnel 1 mile long. Like I said, you gotta go to their museum to get the ticket. Now you see how long that toll trestle was. That's the length of the Mall Bridge. South side, you're going to see one of the biggest buildings in Scranton coming up. Next to you right now, that was the second locomotive shop in Delaware, Lackawanna, Western. They opened that up in 1909. They closed the one down back in the Corp, but that was no longer needed. That had anywhere from 4 to 7,000 employees working all around the clock on 3 shifts. The park to the north side, that's where the passenger trains started leaving from. This building to the right, the second shop, is capable of holding 42 steam locomotives. They can rebuild in a matter of months and get them back out. All the archways you'll see were all the doorways. It's owned by the military today called General Dynamics. They make the casings in there and send them out for the power and elsewhere. Parking lot coming up to the north side. The passenger train you can leave from that hotel to the passenger hotel. That was Lackawanna station. You get an opportunity before you leave Scranton to stop it. It's beautiful. It still has a Tiffany stained glass in the ceiling with the DL&W in it. They started building that in 1906. Had it completed and opened by 1908. They spent anywhere from $500,000 to $600,000 to build that. They had a French designer from France come over here and design that whole front part of the building. University of Scranton, Stopperville to the south. See, here to the north side. The Electric City, Scranton had the first electrified trolley. University of Scranton to the north side. Very first building, if you look back off the road after that, you're going to see a house that looked like a mansion, and that was the Scranton. And it sits right here, right behind this building here. Get an opportunity to check out their story. Very fascinating. They started making screws and nails. Didn't work.